So this is my bed every night. Clara, she always sleeps up in the pillows. And then there's Amelia. No baby. It's Glissette. She's kind of hard to see because she's so damn dark. It's Leo. Can't have the light on in the camcorder because of him. It's my little princess, Daya. She's laying on the cot. Usually she's in the bed, literally laying on top of me. Huh. Aren't you? She's just a little sweetheart. Daya, you're a good girl, huh? And there's Julie. Cosette, don't you chew on the remote. Don't even think about it. Oh, God. My baby. I know it's a lot of dogs want better, right? I honestly don't think I'd have it any other way. Clara. Dude, what? Cosette? Isn't she a beautiful little Frenchie? Huh, Cosette? Leo, will you stand? Leo, stand. Stand. Hang on. Stop. Stay. Stand. Stand. Fix it. Stand right. Come on, buddy. He's doing it, but I'm just not in the right spot to see it, right? Leo, stand. God, hold still. Stop following me. Leo, stay, stand. Stay, stand. Good boy. Good job.